guys, welcome back to my channel. No, I am not in Hawaii. I don't know why I said aloha, but I'm just in that mood to be honest. But yes, today is a off-white unboxing. Yes, I bought this off-white bag and I'm gonna unbox it for you. But before we get into the video, why not hit that subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'd love to have you here. So why not hit that subscribe button right now? Just gonna give you a few seconds while you hit that subscribe button. Waiting on you to subscribe. I'm waiting on you to subscribe. Hit the high note, yeah. Have you subscribed? Okay, let's get into the video. So my loves, as you know, Selfridges is currently having a sale and I was picking up the bargains. So if you haven't seen my sale haul, it will be listed somewhere here, or maybe it hasn't gone up yet. So if it hasn't gone up yet, I will leave the link. You're just gonna have to wait until it goes live. But yes, yeah, I'm going on holiday, so I thought I need to pick up like a little bag in the sale, and it was between this and a J.W. Anderson bag. But the J.W. Anderson bag was red, so I was like, will that go with everything? No. So I just picked up this little off-white bag and here it is. Absolutely love this. I wanted a small little bag, so I decided to purchase this. You can have it like crossbody like so, and it just sits like by the hip, or you can wear it like this across the arm, which I never would do because I think that's just weird, or you can just like carry it like so. So 3 ways of wearing it, and it does come with the little industrial belt that Off-White is known for, but it's also detachable, so if you don't want to have it on, you don't have to. You can also make it like a clutch, but it's just a nice little bag, and I think this is perfect for summer and it's perfect for my holiday, to be honest. It was originally £795 and I got it for £200 in the sale, so a little bargain, to be honest. It just closes by this little magnet fasten. If you open it up, got the Off-White here. I don't really understand what this is for. Like, I don't really get it. I don't understand. Maybe it's to like keep the bag secure. I have no idea. Then you have like a compartment where you can put like your passport, your ID, your money, and then there's also another smaller compartment in here. So that's that really, guys. And you can also zip up this compartment, which I think is really nice, and then it says Off-White co-owner Virgil. I don't know how to say his surname. Child. I don't have time for that. Okay guys, I'm currently on holiday and I thought I'd show you what the bag looks like. I'm wearing it with this Caroline Constance stripe top, frame shorts, Zara flats, and Jeeper Peeper sunglasses. But yeah, this is really cute. I wanted a cute little bag, and I'm not really a bag girl. I'm more of a shoe and clothes type of girl, so I'm not really fussed when it comes to bags. Like, I still carry my traditional Givenchy Antigona. Like, that bag is like my favourite bag. So I feel like I need a small bag for just everyday things. So that's that. People were asking me, it's like patent, like why do you want the patent? But I always think patent is better, because even like when I got it, I like grazed it and I thought I'd like ruined it, but then it was okay. It just needed a little wipe down, but it's very hard to get scratches on patent. And also, I'm not that type of person that's going to be like, oh my god, there's a scratch on my bag, kill me. No, like if there's a scratch, there's a scratch. Like, I'm an active person, of course there's going to be a scratch. Like, get over it. So yeah, that's that, guys. I'm gonna see if it is still available to buy in Selfridges online, or I'm gonna check elsewhere if they have it on sale, and I'll leave the link below. But it's a little cutesy bag, you know, very cutesy. I don't know why I'm putting it here, because I wouldn't wear it like that. I've been wanting an off the shoulder bag. I wanted a bum bag as well, but we're gonna have to go to Gucci for that, and my holiday's on Sunday, so we will not be purchasing from Gucci anytime soon. But yeah, it's very cute, very cute, very cute, and great for holiday. That's it really, guys. That was a very short, you know, unboxing, just to show you what I bought. But if you like this video, why not like the video, and feel free to share this video if you like the video. As always, you can always follow me on my social media platforms and my Instagram. I'll leave the link down below, and if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section and I'll happily answer them for you. But I guess I'll see you in another video, and remember guys, to always stay what? Bougie.